Hi guys, welcome to my new Blender video. In this video, I'm gonna show how to create ocean animation with Blender. Let's get started. So first step, open Blender and let's click General. Then select this cube and go to this icon, Modifier Properties. And go to Add Modifier and click Ocean. Okay, let's zoom back. Nice. Then we can repeat this X and Y. Let's click this like this, okay, and click Y repeat. Nice. Then let's open waves and we can change wave scale like this. Okay, this is not bad. And we can change time here for animation. And let's add keyframes in this time. First step, go to here, first second and first frame rate. And go to here, right mouse, insert keyframe for time. We can see here our keyframe. And go to last keyframe, 250. And go to time, let's click here for edit, change 10. Click enter. Then for save keyframe, go to here time, right mouse, click insert keyframe. So let's go to first second and click for play. Nice, not bad. So this is animation curves is easy ease. Let's change to linear. Go to animation, okay, and select these keyframes. And right mouse, go to here, interpolation mode, and select this linear. Let's click play. Nice, our animation is linear, not easy ease. Okay, very good. So go to up, click this layout. Okay, then go to here, let's click this icon, world properties, and go to color, let's click color and select environment texture. Then click open, go to program files, folder link you can see here, C and program files, and open Blender Foundation, Blender, and again click this folder. Then click this folder for data files and Studio Lights. Let's click Studio Lights, select world, and let's select this sunrise. This is HDR from Blender Foundation. Click open image. Then go to click this icon for see viewport with shading. Nice. Okay, let's go to click this icon for material properties and go to base color. Let's open, change to blue. Okay, let's see. Click play. Nice. So let's select this light and delete. Go to here, add, and select light, sun. Okay. And open sun, change sun to yellow. Let's zoom. Okay, and go to select this cube, select this icon for render properties. Let's click this checkbox for enable ambient occlusion and click boom, this checkbox, and click screen space reflection. Okay, let's click play. Nice. We can change motion blur checkbox. Let's see again. Okay, nice. So thank you for watching my video and don't forget to subscribe channel, like video, and please follow me on Instagram. Good luck.